Hi, how are you doing today? We are going to draw a nice butterfly beginning from here. Let's draw a small circle, then outline the body like me. The wings on the right side looks like this, and also another wing on the left side. It's the same as the previous one. It's almost looks like mirror in some cases. So two more wings in the bottom and draw the curved line. Two shapes like the antenna on the top. All right. Few details on the wings looks like this. All right. Let's put the color like the purple along with the outlines like this. You know the butterfly, it's very colorful. A nice creature. So when we put the colors on it, we can put many different types of colors for this one. The shades on both sides will be like the same. Let's put little orange color like this here. And the shades of blue next. In the last end we can put the lighter green. like this. You see here the lighter green color looks nice. All right, the outline is almost done. This butterfly here is very colorful. Okay, thanks for watching. The drawing is complete. Please follow the steps and do the practice. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.